Let's be honest, you can spend all night crafting the perfect track, but if you upload that song to social media with just a static image, it's probably going to die. In today's attention economy, the algorithm just doesn't care about audio-only content. People listen with their eyes first. If your screen isn't moving and telling a visual story, they are scrolling past you in less than 2 seconds. But making a professional music video is a nightmare. You need a crew, locations, and a budget that most of us just don't have. That is exactly why the update we're looking at today is such a massive deal. Tunee.ai has just dropped Seedance 2.0. And with that, Tunee isn't just an AI music generator anymore. It's a dedicated cinema engine designed to solve the two biggest problems in AI content: character consistency and rhythmic sync. Today, I'm going to show you the full end-to-end workflow, from a blank screen to a hit song, to a consistent lead character, to a cinematic music video, all in one interface. This is the new blueprint for the one-person record label. Every great music video needs a foundation. Let's head over to the Music tab on the left-hand sidebar to build our sound. The interface here is incredibly clean. Right in the center is our prompt box. For this demo, I want something with a lot of rhythmic detail to really put the video engine to the test. I'm typing in a prompt for a bouncy pop track. Now look at the settings below the prompt. Usually I love Tunee's amazing conversational mode, but today we're exploring beyond, so I'm toggling fast mode on. This gives us a direct output based on our prompt. I'll hit Start Cooking. Tunee is a multi-model aggregator, so it's pulling from the best engines in the world like Minimax Music 2.5 Plus to make sure this sounds professional. In just a few seconds, our track appears as a node on the canvas. Let's have a listen. The production is crisp, and those arpeggios are perfect. They're going to give our video engine clear data points to sync the visuals to. We have the sound, now we need a star. We're moving to the Character tab on the sidebar. This is where we build our persistent persona. This is the most critical step for brand building because you want your artist to be recognizable across all your content. When you click Create Character, you'll see the options: clone your twin, design with AI, or upload a reference. The clone feature is amazing. You can upload a photo of yourself and let Tunee build your digital double. But since our song had female vocals, I want to design a persona here from scratch with AI. I'm selecting female, and for the type, I'm going with photorealistic. Now look at the tag section. This is where you fine-tune the look. I'm adding some tags to give her a distinct, edgy look. In the additional details, I'll just type, wearing a futuristic chrome jacket. The model is selected as Nano Banana 2, which is great. I'll hit Create Character, and in seconds, Tunee generates a unique, high-fidelity artist. She's so cute. Let's call her Kimmy. Here, I'm going to let Tunee generate her character sheet as well. I think it may help with the consistency in motion. Okay, with that, we have many views of her character now, all looking consistent. That's impressive. Let's hit Confirm. The real power here is that Kimmy is now a persistent identity. Because Tunee has saved her specific features, she will look exactly the same in every single video scene we're about to generate. We have our hit song, and we have our star. Now let's go to the director's chair. Back in the Music tab, you can see a new button named Seedance 2.0. This is the premium workflow designed specifically for these high-end cinematic music videos. Let's click on this and select the song we just created. Here, we need to select the portion that we need to create the music video from. I'm selecting a minute duration starting from the verse. Now go to Character and let's select Kimmy as our AI artist character. Let's hit Create. Now, watch the screen. This is where the agent part of Tunee really starts to feel like a professional agency. Instead of just jumping into a render, Tunee assembles a virtual creative team to pitch you the vision. The first thing we see is the MV Creative Blueprint. It confirms that it has received our song. Based on its data, it's now suggesting 3 different creative modes: Story MV, Visual MV, or Lip Sync MV. I'm going with Visual MV. This mode is specifically designed to prioritize high-end aesthetics and vibe, which is exactly what our synth pop track needs. We have many visual styles to choose from here, but I'm going to keep it auto to match our character's style. Below, we have the Seedance 2.0 model selected, and let's choose 720p as the resolution. Keep 16:9 as our aspect ratio, and let's continue. Look at this breakdown on the screen now. This is where it gets truly impressive. Tunee has generated a full music structure table. It hasn't just listened to the song, it has mapped out a visual script for every single second. This is what Tunee calls cinematic multi-shot storytelling. It's not just a bunch of random clips. It's a directed narrative arc that perfectly follows the energy of our synth pop track. If you scroll down further, you see the MV Elements summary. It describes Kimmy's K-pop doll aesthetic and the specific physics of each environment. You can modify anything here in any way you like, but for now, let's continue. And here we have our visual assets. She has confirmed Kimmy's bio and established 3 specific locations for the shoot: Chrome Horizon, Infinite Prism, and Azure Fracture. You can see that every asset is already ready in the system. This level of location scouting and art direction used to take a whole team days to coordinate. Here, it happens in seconds. Let's give Tunee the green light to continue with these assets. But the real intelligence happens when we meet Sage, our story director. Sage has mapped out a shot-by-shot storyboard designed to follow the energy of our synth pop track. Sage identifies those fast arpeggios in the intro and suggests an extreme macro shot on Kimmy's sunglasses. Then, for the chorus, Sage plans a tracking shot in the mirror hall and a transformation climax where the world shatters into butterflies. Here is the professional edge. When you hover over any of the shots here, you can edit the prompt, add lip sync to the clip, or download them. If I didn't like a specific shot, I could click Edit Prompt, type in to change the lighting or the camera angle, and hit Regenerate. And remember, all of this high-level directing and planning is completely free. You only spend credits when you generate your creations. Everything looks perfect, so I'm hitting Create Final Video. I'm going to include subtitles and keep the original vocals of our song, and here we go. Let's see the final result. Oh, that looks really good. Look at that motion. So smooth, perfectly aligned with the beat of our song, and the lighting reflections on Kimmy's chrome jacket are genuinely cinematic. But the real victory? Consistency. Kimmy looks exactly the same in the mirror hall as she does in the crystalline horizon. Face stability is the holy grail of AI video, and Seedance 2.0 just made it a one-click process. For a solo creator, this is the ultimate expression without exposure. You've gone from a blank prompt to a hit song, a consistent lead character, and a professional brand asset in under 10 minutes. And with Tunee subscription, it protects your work. Since this was made in the Tunee ecosystem, you have a commercial license to put this on Spotify. Use it in monetized YouTube videos. No legal headaches. With Seedance 2.0, Tunee.ai has officially bridged the gap. It is no longer just a music maker. It's a full virtual artist agency that lives in your browser. Click the link in the description to access Tunee.ai and claim your daily free credits. Go in there, design your own Kimmy, select that Seedance 2.0 engine, and start cooking your first cinematic music video today. If this walkthrough helped you see the future of music branding, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy creating!